4/0 aluminum wire may not be sufficient to feed a 200 amp panel in a garage that is 200 feet away from the meter. 4/0 aluminum wire has a current carrying capacity of 200 amps at 75 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. Now let's talk about voltage drop. For a 200-foot distance, the voltage drop on 4/0 aluminum wire at 200 amps is approximately calculated as follows. The voltage drop equals the distance times the current times the resistance divided by the voltage. So, the voltage drop equals 200 feet times 200 amps times 0.244 ohms per foot, divided by 120 volts. This calculation yields a voltage drop of 9.76 volts. The National Electrical Code allows a maximum voltage drop of 5% at the furthest outlet in a branch circuit. For a 120-volt circuit, this means a maximum voltage drop of 6 volts, which is 5% of 120 volts. In this case, the calculated voltage drop of 9.76 volts exceeds the allowable 6 volts. Therefore, 4/0 aluminum wire is not suitable for this application. To feed a 200 amp panel in a garage 200 feet away, you should use at least 3/0 aluminum wire or larger. This will ensure that the voltage drop is within the acceptable range and that the circuit can safely handle the electrical load.